John Van Leenen, New Zealand Sotheby's International in Manawatu, 107 Ngahere Park, a lifestyle property, a designer, architecturally designed home, stunning, absolutely stunning. Unbelievable views over the city and of course the region, and of course a magical setting. Old trees, gorgeous bird life, and just a lovely lawned area, just like a big lawn in town, and the rest is trees and bird life. You'll love it, you'll love the community, and it's very, very handy to our city. Let's have a little wander through, something spectacular. I'm sure you'll agree with me, an easy care, stunning lifestyle property close to the city. How the floor plan works is immense, I think. Master bedroom, massive. Looks over the view, of course, a large ensuite, large walk-in wardrobe, I know you'll love that. We have a kitchen and al fresco courtyard, which is the entertaining dream. You'll have breakfast, you'll have lunch, you'll have dinner there, and of course an entertaining lounge you'll to die for. Upstairs, well, 3 bedrooms, guests, family, and the bathroom. It completes an easy care property for couples or families. I can't find you better, so call us today. We'd love to show you through.